If you've been considering ClickUp for your team or business, one of the first questions that probably comes up is how much does it actually cost? With so many features packed into the platform, understanding the pricing plans can help you decide whether it's the right fit for you. In this video, I'll break down ClickUp's pricing structure, what each plan offers, how much it costs, and who each one is best suited for. So let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the free forever plan. As the name suggests, this plan costs absolutely nothing and is great for individuals or solo professionals just starting out. It includes 100 megabytes of storage, unlimited tasks, unlimited free plan members, collaborative docs, whiteboards, Kanban boards, and even built-in tools like sprint management and a calendar view. You also get basic features like two-factor authentication, in-app video recording, and 24/7 support, which is pretty generous for a free plan. Next up is the unlimited plan, which is priced at $10 per user per month. This plan is ideal for small teams that want to scale their workflows. It unlocks unlimited storage, unlimited integrations, dashboards, Gantt charts, and custom fields. You can also access advanced features like time tracking, goals and portfolios, form views, and native email integration. One standout perk here is that you can invite guests with permission controls, which is helpful for client-facing work or contractor collaborations. Now, let's move on to the business plan, which is the most popular option and comes in at $19 per user per month. This plan builds on everything from the unlimited tier and adds more tools for mid-sized teams who need extra control and analytics. You get Google SSO, custom exporting, advanced dashboard features, workload management, and granular time estimates. It also includes timelines, mind maps, unlimited timeline views, goals folders, and even SMS two-factor authentication for added security. If your team needs detailed reporting, time tracking, and structured workflows, this is likely the best value option. Finally, there's the enterprise plan, which is built for large organizations with complex needs. The pricing is custom, so you'll need to contact sales for a quote. This plan includes everything in business, plus features like white labeling, advanced permissions, enterprise API access, SCIM provisioning, and HIPAA compliance. You also get dedicated customer success managers, live onboarding training, and advanced public sharing. Essentially, it's for companies that need full control, high-level security, and team-wide scalability across multiple departments. So, which plan should you choose? If you're an individual or freelancer, the free forever plan might be all you need. For small teams ready to collaborate more seriously, the unlimited plan offers solid value without breaking the bank. Mid-sized businesses looking to scale up will find the business plan ideal with its powerful features. And if you're part of a large enterprise with strict compliance requirements and multiple teams, the enterprise plan is built for you. Alright, that's a full breakdown of ClickUp's pricing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more software reviews and breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.